Not every gold IRA company is actually built to help you retire. Some are just built to make a quick sale. But there are signs, and today I'll show you how to spot them right from their websites. Let's start here. Just Googling gold IRA companies gives you a mix of ads and websites. Some promise $10,000 in free silver or push you to act now. But flashy offers like that usually reveal more about short-term sales tactics than long-term retirement support. Now, let's take a look at what a long-term approach looks like. Here's Augusta Precious Metals. Notice how they focus on retirement education, not gimmicks. There's a full explainer video, no countdown timers, and you don't even have to call to see how fees work. If you want to see what a retirement aligned company really looks like behind the scenes, check out the free guide I've linked down below. One of the PDFs inside Welcome to Augusta shows you exactly how they support long-term retirement goals. This guide isn't just a single download. It comes with 8 helpful PDFs. One of them walks you through Augusta's approach to retirement education and long-term service, not just selling you metals today. A real retirement partner doesn't rely on pressure or perks. They focus on education, clarity, and long-term trust. If that's the kind of partner you want, download the free guides below and see how the right gold IRA company can make all the difference.